Monitoring high winds to decide whether it needs to shut off some power lines in parts of the North Bay. It's part of the PSPS, or Public Safety Power Shutdown program. KTVU's Greg Liggins joins us now with more on who might be affected this time and how residents are coping. Greg.
Yeah, Julie, the utility says it has several safety tools in its arsenal, and it calls PSPS one tool of last resort. Now, PG&E says this is their first potential event of this kind this year, and like their customers, they've been hoping it doesn't happen.
This flag is one of the visual indicators that winds were brisk in parts of Napa County Sunday afternoon. Sonoma County also expected high winds. That, coupled with dry, tender conditions, is one of the factors that led PG&E to warn a small number of customers in the North Bay that their power could be shut off.
So we had contacted 85 customers in Napa County that we could be possibly shutting off their power today, 86 customers in Lake County, and about 22 customers in Sonoma County.
The potential outages are an example of what has become the norm in some parts of the Bay Area. During high wind events, trees and branches could take down power lines and cause a fire. So the utility proactively shuts down lines to prevent fires. But wind gusts are just one factor.
It's sustained wind. 18 miles per hour. It's humidity levels, usually about 30% or lower. It's the dryness of the fuels. What is the moisture of the fuels? All of those things, temperatures.
Clark's Ace Hardware in Napa has been helping residents prepare for outages, selling in-demand products customers need to make their way through the dark. Generators, batteries, solar-powered lights, things that increased in demand when PG&E began safety measures to proactively shut off power. Residents have learned to adapt to the new norm in recent years.
I put in a backup generator for both the house and the office. So since they've started doing the outages, I think I've used the generator maybe one or two times.
It seems like people are more prepared, I would say, at this point.
Sunday afternoon, PG&E's online outage map showed a few green areas in the North Bay with small unplanned power outages the utility says may be wind-related but not part of the PSPS. Fire threat and temporary stints with no power have become a way of life in these parts. PG&E and its customers have learned to adapt. And while life without power can be burdensome or worse for some, many find it a better plan than the potential alternative.
Shut off the power. If there's a danger of fire, I say the fires are way worse. So we can live with a day or two without power.
PG&E says if wind gusts remain below 40 miles per hour, they did not plan to shut off power. Now, according to their outage map so far, there have been no PSPS outages. Greg Liggins, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Greg, thank you.